Hello students, today we are going to do chapter number 4 in GK, Animal Habitats. A habitat, what is habitat? Habitat is a place where an animal finds food, water and shelter it needs to live. Children, given below is a list of animals. Animals की list दी हुई है. Write the names of each animal अगेंस्ट इट्स हैबिटेट. हमको हर एनिमल का नाम लिखना है उसके हैबिटेट के आगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉरेस्ट में विच एनिमल लिव इन फॉरेस्ट. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड अबाउट द फॉरेस्ट. फॉरेस्ट्स गेट इनफ रेन एंड हैव लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रीज. दे प्रोवाइड हैबिटेट फॉर ए वास्ट स्पीसीज of plants and animals. Many endangered species of birds and animals are native to their habitat as they do not adapt to other places. So in the forest, which all animal lives? We have to select from this box. One is anaconda, another is bear. So we will write bear, polar bear. Okay, polar bear and anaconda. Not polar bear, sorry, only bear. So write Anaconda, and the next one is bear, only bear, not polar bear. Polar bear live in cold region. Cold places. See the second one, desert. Deserts are dry areas with lots of sand. They get very little or no rainfall. As you all know, deserts are dry area जहाँ पे बारिश या तो होती ही नहीं या बहुत कम होती है. Many species that live in deserts have evolved to survive harsh weather conditions. Animals of the desert usually obtain water from the food they eat or from occasional rainfalls. Which all animal live here? One is camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel, and the other is scorpion, S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N. Now see the third one, children, mountain. Picture is also given. Mountains are very high areas. Because of cold climate, food is scarce here. Mountain habitats are largely protected because of extreme low temperature and lack of vegetation. So which all animal live on mountain? One is yak. And the other one is ibex. Now see the fourth one, children. Freshwater. Freshwater habitats account for less than 0.01% of the earth's total water, but they support more than 1 lakh species of animals. Freshwater habitat include lakes, rivers and wetlands. These are now endangered habitats due to pollution caused by human activities. Which all animal live in freshwater? One is duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Another is beaver, B-E-A-V-E-R. See the fifth one, polar region. These are the coldest places on the earth. The land is mostly barren and covered with snow. Many species of animals have evolved to survive these harsh conditions. Very cold place it is, and here polar bear live. P-O-L-A-R, polar, B-E-A-R, bear, and the next one is penguin. penguin, penguin. See the sixth one, ocean. These are large salty water bodies. बहुत बड़े बड़े salty water bodies होते हैं ocean. इसमें पानी पूरा खारा होता है. They cover nearly 2/3 of the earth's surface, which means it is the largest habitat on the earth. Ocean is the largest habitat. The majority of animal species live in warmer coastal waters as the food is easily available here. And in this ocean, whale live, WHALE, whale, and turtle. Other one is turtle, TURTLE, turtle. See the seventh one, grasslands. Grasslands are dry areas with tall grasses. Because of less rainfall, the trees do not grow in great numbers. Grasslands support a diverse variety of animals, mostly grazing animals. Okay children, and here the animals live are antelope, 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 and the other one is zebra, ZEBRA. By this the chapter is over, so everybody will complete in the book itself. Okay children.